Okay, everyone, you are looking at about 2,400 in new equipment right here. So I am going to be putting together my new build, going with the AMD Ryzen Threadripper, the 2950X. This is my first foray ever into the world of AMD. I just think that what they're offering right now for what I want, it's a pretty unbelievable offering. So I really am curious to see how it performs. Everybody seems to be giving it a thumbs up. I think AMD is obviously really up their game. So this is my first foray into the world of AMD processors. I've always kind of ignored them. They've always kind of seemed like the cheap option, but it looks like they've really stepped up, and we're going to find out how it performs. So what we've got here is the ASRock X399 professional gaming motherboard. We've got the G.Skill FlareX 2933 RAM. No one seems to be able to get RAM past 3000 megahertz anyway, or gigahertz, I guess, on these motherboards. So I didn't even buy RAM above that. There just seems to be no reason for it. And then I got the Noctua U14S TR4 SP3 cooler with the extra fan. Obviously this thing's going to be kicking up a lot of heat. I don't know if I'm going to overclock it or not. I don't even think you need to with this. So I think a few of the cores already are overclocked, and then the others just run at stock, but you really shouldn't need to overclock those, I think. So anyway, we're going to do an unboxing here. Let's get to it, and this is going to be fun.